Imagine turning your YouTube browsing into a profitable venture. Yes, it's possible. YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped into. But how do you unlock this potential? That's where the course Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr comes into play. This course isn't just another run-of-the-mill tutorial, it's a comprehensive guide designed to transform even the greenest beginners into YouTube entrepreneurs. It's about understanding the nuances of YouTube, leveraging its algorithms, and creating content that not only resonates with your audience, but also drives revenue. You see, YouTube success isn't about luck or viral hits. It's about strategic planning and understanding the platform's mechanics. And that's exactly what this course will teach you. So, whether you're an aspiring YouTuber or a seasoned content creator looking to increase your earnings, this course is your roadmap to success. With the right knowledge and tools, you can turn YouTube into your personal goldmine. Tube Mastery and Monetization isn't just a course, it's a proven roadmap to YouTube success. It's the ultimate guide that covers everything, right from the basics of setting up a channel to the intricate details of optimizing videos for better reach. Imagine having a guide that not only tells you what to do, but also how to do it. That's precisely what Tube Mastery and Monetization offers. Its power lies in its comprehensive approach, leaving no stone unturned, ensuring that you're well equipped to tackle the dynamic world of YouTube. But don't just take our word for it. There are countless testimonials and success stories that underline the efficacy of this course. People from all walks of life, who once were ordinary YouTubers, have transformed into successful digital marketers. Their journey, catalyzed by this course, is a testament to its effectiveness. From ordinary YouTubers to successful digital marketers, the transformation is real and the testimonials speak for themselves. What if you could be the next YouTube success story? Imagine for a moment that you're the creator behind a wildly successful YouTube channel. You've unlocked the secrets of the platform and now you're reaping the rewards. Does that sound like a dream? Well, with Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, it could be your reality. The course has already helped countless people just like you to create their own success stories. Testimonials abound of individuals who have turned their passions into profitable channels, all thanks to the insights they gained from this course. What sets this course apart is its commitment to your success. It doesn't just provide you with strategies and then leave you to figure things out on your own. No, it offers continuous support and updates to ensure that the strategies you're using remain effective in an ever-changing digital landscape. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey towards YouTube mastery could begin today. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube success? It's time to take the plunge. The Tube Mastery and Monetization course is more than just a guide. It's a blueprint to a potentially lucrative future on YouTube. Imagine being able to transform your passion into profit, using a platform you already love. Well, this course can help make that dream a reality. It has already propelled countless individuals towards YouTube success, providing them with the tools and knowledge they need to thrive in the digital sphere. Remember, by investing in this course, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in yourself. The knowledge you gain could be the stepping stone to a vibrant and profitable YouTube channel. So, are you ready to take the first step towards YouTube mastery? The power to transform your digital future is just a click away. Click on the link in the description to purchase the course and begin your journey to YouTube mastery. Your future on YouTube starts now.